Hi class, welcome to the start of our summer session for English 110 Rhetoric in the Media. I just want to take a few minutes with this video to kind of talk you through and navigate our BB Learn shell. A couple items talked about in my video on Friday, but I thought we'd kind of take a look at those and items and a couple of others here in this sort of tutorial video. I'll start here, syllabus and policies. So you'll want to check that out. One of our first things that we'll take a look at, looking through that information, reading through it. Again, it is a lot, but I want you to check it out and make sure you understand all of our policies. Let me know if you have any questions on anything. I'm also going to try, once we get a few days into the class, just to kind of highlight a few important aspects of this too. I'll mention too, we have Collaborate for office hours, as I told you in the video. This is where we'll have a 2:30 to 3:30 recurring office hours on Fridays. So we can visit me there, and I'll kind of keep reminding you about that. We also have a thing called course messages. This tool here allows you to send a message to me or fellow classmates and get information passed along. I really think this is a great tool for just if you have a quick question about something, if you can't find something in BB Learn, or you go to download a reading and it doesn't come through, any kind of sort of issues that you have like that, just really great to use the course message tool. I'll check it 2 or 3 times a day to see what's coming through. You also can use this to reach out to fellow students, and I'll just kind of let everybody, just check it once a day, or like make a note to check it when you come into BB Learn. Occasionally I'll use it for certain kinds of messages, especially if it's just brief updates or reminders, so I might throw some items in there. And then you can also communicate with our SI Bailey through this message tool as well. The big thing for me is just to kind of keep that email inbox from getting too overloaded. Sometimes things kind of fall through the cracks a little bit in there, and this kind of helps me track things a little bit better. So just kind of keep that in mind. Next, we'll just take a look at course calendar. I kind of mentioned that to you. You can use this if you'd like. I think it's a great tool just to kind of keep track of everything that's due on each day. You're welcome to export this, and you can you can create your own events, I should say, and you can do an external calendar link, so you can connect it to your own calendar as well. If you have any trouble with that or issues, just let me know. I can try to help you out. Course content, if there's any link on this menu that's the most important, it's this one. It's going to take you to all of the content for our course. When you click on a module, it'll take you to what you need to do, and you'll kind of have to just keep clicking through. You see I'm in assignments, I'm in discussions. It's taking me to this introduce yourself board, so you'll kind of have to follow through with that. There is a link for all of our assignments that gives you the prompt for how to write it and what to kind of do. So that'll be in there. I also do a link to all discussions, because what I find is sometimes you can get kind of lost, get confused. It's really helpful, I think, to get in there and to basically see like how many other people are participating in the forum, and kind of help you track what's kind of going on. And I did add, it's on this page, but also I have a separate link to our Say Anything discussion board. When you come in here and you see this anonymous post, this is one I just did for a practice run, so I'll probably just delete it. But you can create a thread, and once you come in here, you can say, need help. So like, I'm really lost with this recent assignment. Can you send more examples? Whatever it might be. I like having one area of the course where people can communicate with me anonymously, because sometimes we feel like a little, oh, I should know the answer to this question, or I should have learned this before, but I haven't. And so sometimes people feel a little weird about, asking certain kinds of questions. Or if you're maybe just having a serious problem, but you just don't want to talk about it in a way, you just want to keep it personal, you can come here. And anything you post to our Say Anything board, I want you to click the post message as anonymous and submit it. And then I'll keep, like, once a day, I'll check in on here. So like when I click on here, I'll just, hit reply. I'll reply back, give you some information. And again, when it's anonymous, I might not be able to help you in the same way as if, I know who you are, but I can probably help you to a pretty good extent either way. So just kind of keep that in mind. We have that in here. We have a few other sort of support items as well. And then the My Grades, we can't really go there on this preview page, but that'll take you to where your grades are posted. So that's all I had. I just want to do like a video here just to kind of help you get a little more oriented, because I think it can be a little confusing when you first get started. If you get stuck, let me know. I'm happy to help you and work you through it. So best of luck, everyone, and we'll talk soon.